Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's show. We're all here. Penny's here. Alfie's here. Mr. Flint's here. And you do, yeah. Mr. Flint watched the show today at school. I know. What are you doing? I'm falling asleep because you're boring. Yeah, we got to be funnier. But we're gonna try. Okay, let's get moving. All right, let's sing good morning. Okay, ready? Are you ready? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Oh, how do you do? How do you do? Thank you. How do you do? How do you do? Good to see everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, we're gonna do a couple things. So let's try a joke. Okay. All right. What? You don't think I'm funny either? Okay. Well, let's try this one. Ready? What do you get if you cross a cocker spaniel, that's kind of dog, a poodle, another kind of dog? This is for you because you're kind of mixed too. I don't know. It's not a Vinny. All right. So let me start over. Sorry. You're terrible. What do you mean? You're a scatterbrain. You want the kids to pay attention. You can't pay attention. Well, this is because he's whining, you're whining. All right, let's get to it. Sorry. What do you get when you cross a cocker spaniel, a poodle, and a ghost? I don't know. What do you get? A cockapoodle boo. Get it? Cockadoodle boo. What? Oh, you too? Oh. So neither one of you like the joke? Did you like the joke? Cockadoodle poo? Boo, get it? Not poo, poo. Yeah, that's him. All right, let's get moving. All right, another bad joke. I'm gonna throw that card. See that joke? Yeah, that didn't work. I'm gonna throw it out the window. All right. Thank you, Mr. Letterman. All right, we are going to move on to the mystery box. Okay, and we're gonna keep this rolling today. Let me get it ready. Somebody we're gonna meet. All right. Clue number one is it starts with the letter G. All right. So we're going to, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Pull back around. There's our magic C, right? But we're going to keep going down and under. And you couldn't see that. And it's backwards. Okay. G, G. We didn't want to use the camera today. So yeah, there's different G's. You might see a G that sometimes copies J, but that's more first grade stuff. Okay? What do you mean? Well, you mean all the sounds. Yeah, there's all kinds of different rules. You should know that. You're an alphabetosaurus. Oh, sorry. All right, so it starts with G. G. Okay? Um, it's white. All white, usually. Yeah. Well, oh gosh, we gotta get a new box. Yeah, I need a new house. Look at your new house. Me too. All right, so here we go. It starts with G. G. Okay. It is white, and you might see a lot of them on Halloween. Excuse me. What? Can you move? What do you mean? You're in the way. Oh, well, is it? Yeah, you see them on Halloween. Okay, one. Okay. All right. What do you think? Raise your hand. Good. Yes, I heard it. I heard it. Let's see. Many people think it is a. Oh, Sorry, I'm looking for the right button. I need my glasses. Ghost! Oh, yes, it's a ghost. It's a little. Well, he's supposed to be a friendly ghost, right? But he is. Yeah, Mr. The face didn't come out the way I wanted it. Okay? So, but he's friendly, so don't worry. Don't get scared. Are you scared? You're not scared? There's Vinny. He's very tired today. I think he just comes for the treats. I don't really think he's trying to help me. All right, so I'm going to teach you a song about a friendly ghost, okay? And then I'm going to show you how to make one because they're easy and you can use things in your house. You don't have to buy anything, okay? All right, so we're going to sing. Okay, we'll do the echo thing. I'll sing a verse and then you copy me. Ready? Okay. What could I do? What's your name? Well, let's interview him first. Hey, first, let's go to the microphone. Hello, Gus. What's your name? Gus. Oh, hi, Gus. Are you truly friendly? Yeah, don't be afraid of me. Um, all right. So, Gus, we're gonna sing the song. Ready? Okay. Friendly ghost. No, you guys. I'm a friendly ghost. Watch me fly. Watch me fly. I can fly right through the air. I can fly right through the air. See how all the people stare. See how all the people stare. And this is the best part because you can throw them if you have permission. Way up high in the sky. Oh, wow, he came right down. And you know what I noticed? And if you were in Mr. Flint's class, remember, the ghost will always land on his head. Here, I'll try it again. In the sky. Oh, whoa. Oh no, it landed on Vinny. Oh, attack dog, look out. Ah, don't you dare. He'll eat anything. I know. Don't bring that up. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make one. All right, it's simple. All you need is tissues. Okay, so let's check first. Grab a box of tissues. And when you make a friendly ghost, you can also make your fingers stronger at the same time. How cool is that? All right. So you need tissues. And then you need, if you have it, tissue paper. So check with your adult because sometimes this is a little thicker because the tissues will rip especially when we put the marker on them. So see if anybody has tissue paper. It's a little thicker and just about that. Oh, sorry, about that big. All right, or smaller. It doesn't matter, right? And so here's what we do: we take a tissue. Whoop, box. And when you use your fingers and you're gonna crinkle it up, ready? Just use those fingers, watch those muscles again, and roll it using all my fingers into a ball as best I can and squeeze it. And my fingers are getting tight already. Okay? So I always use two, but it depends on how many tissues you have. So I'm gonna get another tissue and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put this one inside of it, but just because I want to be able to use both hands, I'm going to use my left hand this time. Now roll it up, make a big ball, squeeze, squeeze, right? Because we're making the head part. And another good trick is if you don't have tissues, and if you have them, you could use a lollipop. Another trick. All right, so now I have my ball. Okay, squeeze. We got our squeezes in. Okay, don't have our Play-Doh, but that's all right. And now we're going to take our paper, our tissue paper, and I always tell my boys and girls put it right in the middle, right? You got the top, you got the bottom, you got the left, it's right in the middle of my tissue paper, like that. Just put that ball right in there. And now I'm just going to take my tissue paper and pull it down and make my, like this sheet, right? All right. All right, now here's the fun part. I'm going to squeeze his head right there. I'm going to do two twists. One, two. So that way he stays together a little bit and he's nice and tight. And then I'm going to take a little tie. This is from just a bag. If you have a bag tie from bread, or if you're at school and your teacher has a pipe cleaner, sorry, brain freeze, a pipe cleaner, they work even better. Okay, but you have to be careful because they have metal in them. So I just take my little tie, thank you, tie, and twist that. Oh, there's two of them in there. I only need one. Okay, and I'm just gonna twist that a few times. And if that's tricky, you can get an adult to help, right? And there he is. But now, just take a marker or whatever you have and give him a friendly face. Or he doesn't have to be friendly, it's your ghost, right? So I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna get two eyes. I'm gonna do like a whoa mouth, but kind of smiling. I don't know. Do ghosts have noses? Nose? Do you know anything? You don't know? All right. Yeah, he's pretty tired. All right. So, oh gosh, he looks scary. Okay, that looks a little, I don't know, that looks a little friendlier. And there you go. Okay, a friendly ghost. You want to do it one more time before we go? All right. All right. I'm a friendly ghost. I'm a friendly ghost. Watch me fly. Watch me fly. I can fly right through the air. See how all the people stare way up high the sky. All right, let's try it. All right. I'm a friendly ghost. I'm a friendly ghost. Watch me fly. Watch me fly. I can fly right through the air. See how all the people stare. Way up high, wait for sky. In the sky. Let's see if we can get him to land on a day. In the sky. Oh, hi, are you a friendly dog? Oh, look. Then you made new friends. Oh, see, I'm a friendly ghost. Even Vinny loves me. He would never try to bite my head off. He's tried. All right. All right.